What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. So in today's video, I got two great Dollar General breakdowns for this Saturday using our 5 off of 25 coupon. And these breakdowns use only digital coupons, meaning that anybody can do them. And just in case anybody is new to shopping at Dollar General, I just want to mention that this 5 off of 25 coupon is only valid for Saturdays, and that our digital coupons can vary from account to account. So the coupons that I have, you may not have also, which is why I always recommend having more than one account. And if you guys don't already have more than one account and are not sure on how to create another one, I have a video on that linked down below, which you can check out. Anyways, with these two breakdowns I'm going to be sharing with you guys, you'll be able to pick up your items for less than $1 each.
Make the streams louder.
So the first deal I'm going to show you has a little bit higher of an out-of-pocket. I think it's like $7.40. But then the second deal I'm going to show you guys has our low out-of-pocket, which is just $2.55. And we're going to start off with our higher out-of-pocket deal first. And for our first item for this deal, you're going to want to pick up one of the Gain fabric softeners, the 41 ounce. And this is priced at $3.95. And there's a save $1 on any one Gain liquid fabric softener or Gain Fireworks digital coupon, which is attaching to this product, making it just $2.95. And guys, really quick, when you are in the store on Saturday doing your deals, I always recommend to scan your products in the store to make sure that our digital coupons are still attaching. And the reason I recommend doing this is because Dollar General is just a little crazy, and they can remove items from working on digital coupons at any time, and they can also revoke digital coupons too. So if you don't have a digital coupon clipped to your account, Dollar General can take that away and you won't have it anymore. But if you do have it clipped to your account and Dollar General takes it away, you guys will be good. You will still have your digital coupon. Either way, I always recommend every single time you're in Dollar General shopping just to pick up your items and scan them with your app, and just to ensure that these coupons are coming off still. So back to our deal, the second item which you're going to be picking up is also a Gain product, and that's going to be the Gain liquid laundry detergent, and this is going to be the 40 ounce, which is priced at $3.95. And we have a save $1 on any one Gain Flings or Gain liquid laundry detergent digital coupon attaching to this, making it just $2.95. Our next item is the Jergens Shea Body Lotion, and this is the 10 ounce, which is priced at $3.50. And there's a $2 off of one Jergens moisturizer or body wash digital coupon. And this is a product, guys, you definitely want to scan, because I know that this digital coupon isn't attaching to all the scents of these products, which is why I'm suggesting you guys pick up the shea butter, because I know that this digital coupon is attaching to the shea butter. Moving on, our next items are going to be the big pens. So you want to pick up two of the big round stick pens. They're a pack of 10, priced at $1.50 each. So two of them will cost you $3, and there's a save $2 on two Bic writing instruments digital coupon, which you can use for these products, making them just $1. For our next item, you have an option here. You can either pick up the Always Discreet pads, the 24 to 26 count, or an Oral-B indicator toothbrush, the 2 count. Each of these items are priced at $3, and we have a $2 off of Always Discreet digital coupon and a $2 off of one Oral-B multi-pack adult manual toothbrush digital coupon. Both of these products will come down to just $1 after this digital coupon. But remember, you only have to pick up one of these. Our next item is going to be a Schick Disposable Razor. So specifically, you want to pick up the Schick Classic, which is on sale for $4. They're normally priced at $4.50. And you can pick up either the men's or the women's. And then you want to clip this save $3 on one Schick Disposable Razor to your account. After this digital coupon, the price for this item becomes just $1. So our final item for this first breakdown is going to be the Tylenol 24 count. This product is priced at $4, and we have a save $2 on any one Tylenol or Tylenol PM digital coupon, making this just $2. So here's a quick list of all the items which you should have in this cart for this deal. And that's our Gain fabric softener, a 41 ounce, our Gain liquid laundry detergent, 40 ounce, one Jergens Shea Butter Lotion, 10 ounce, two of the Bic round stick pens, a 10 count, one of the Always Discreet pads or an Oral-B indicator toothbrush, 2 count, one Schick Classic men's or women's disposable razor, and one Tylenol 24 count. So this is a total of 8 items, and the subtotal for all of these items comes to $25.40, which is perfect because that brings us just over that $25 mark, making us eligible to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. Speaking of coupons, these are all the other coupons which we should be using for this deal, and just to go over them again really quick, that's our save $1 on Gain, another save $1 on Gain, a $2 on Jergens, a $2 on Bic writing instruments, your Oral-B or Always Discreet, a save $3 on Schick Disposable, a save a $2 on Tylenol, and of course, our 5 off of 25. So this is a total of $18 in coupons. So if you were to take this out of our subtotal of $25.40, that makes your final cost after coupons just $7.40 for 8 items or 93 cents each. That's 93-cent Gain, 93-cent Tylenol, 93-cent Jergens. These are some great items which you guys can pick up for under $1. So a deal which you cannot find anywhere else but Dollar General, which is why I love this store. Now let's get on to our second breakdown, which is going to be our low out-of-pocket at just $2.55. And to start off this deal, you want to pick up 3 of the Powerade sports drinks. You want to get the 32 ounce, which is priced at 80 cents each, and then clip this save $1 off of any 3 Coca-Cola single serve products to your account. Next up, we're going to be picking up the Gain fabric softener, but you want to pick up the travel size, which is 10 ounces. This is priced at $1, and then you want to use your save $1 on any Gain liquid fabric softener or Gain Fireworks digital coupon. That'll make the cost for this completely free. And guys, do not forget to scan your items when you are in the store this Saturday. Anyways, our next item is going to be the Bic Disposable Razor, and specifically you want to pick up the Bic Metal Razor. This is a 5 count and it's priced at $2, and this save $2 on one Bic Disposable single or twin blade digital coupon is attaching to this, making it also completely free. Now we're going to pick up a Schick Disposable Razor, and these Schick Classic Razors are on sale this week for $4, and you can pick up either the men's or the women's, and then have this $3 off of one Schick Disposable Razor digital coupon clipped to your account. After our digital coupon, the price for one of these packs will be just $1. Our next item is going to be the Bix Flex Multi-Purpose Lighter. This is a 1 count priced at $3.50, and there's a $2 digital, making this just $1.50. Now we're going to pick up some Crest Toothpaste, and you want to get one of the Crest Toothpaste, which is priced at $2. So I have 2 examples here. You can get either the Crest Cavity Protection or the Crest Baking Soda and Peroxide. So each of these are priced at $2, and we have a save $1 on any Crest Toothpaste digital coupon, making the price for one of these just $1. So now we're going to pick up an Airwick Warmer plug, and you want to get just a plug here, nothing with the oil. The plug alone costs $1.65, and we have $1.50 off of any one Airwick manufacturer digital coupon, making the cost for this item just 15 cents. Now we're going to pick up some more razors, and that's going to be the Gillette Disposable Razor. So the Gillette Sensor 2 razor pack is priced at $4.50, and we have a save $3 digital coupon, making this just $1.50. And now our final item for this deal is going to be the Head & Shoulders. So you want to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders, and they cost $2 each, so 2 of them will cost you $4, but we have a save $3 on 2 Head & Shoulder products digital coupon, which is attaching to these, making them just $1. Now here is our full list of our products for this deal. Starting off with our 3 Powerades, then you want to get our Gain fabric softener, the travel size, a Bic Metal Razor 5 count, one of the Schick Classic Razors, 1 Bic Flex Wand Multi-Purpose Lighter, 1 Crest Toothpaste, and you can pick up either the Crest Cavity Protection or the Crest Baking Soda and Peroxide, 1 of the Airwick Warmer plugs, a Gillette Sensor 2 razor, and finally 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel sizes. This is a total of 12 items, and for all 12 of these items, they will cost you $25.05, but we have all of these digital coupons which we can apply towards this deal, starting off with our save $1 on any 3 Coca-Cola products, then our save $1 on Gain, a save $2 on Bic Disposable, a save $3 on Schick Disposable, a save $2 on Bic Multi-Purpose Lighters, a $1 off of Crest, $1.50 off of Airwick, save $3 off Gillette, and a $3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders. And of course, you don't want to forget our 5 off of 25. So this is a total of $22.50 of coupons. So if you took this out of our subtotal of $25.05, that'll make your final cost for all 12 of these items just $2.55 or 21 cents each. So another great breakdown which you can do at Dollar General using only digital coupons. And if you guys know of any other great deals or coupon matchups, definitely let us know in the comment section down below so that we can do them too. And if you guys enjoyed this video, show me by giving a thumbs up down below. And if you're not already, consider subscribing to my channel and ringing that bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.